Ye beba yes ya to force. Se man for mu Gyimie ansa nkwa adwuma. Man for mu kwasias. Mo Gyimie no so man dan cross strike na mo kona. Aban mo pe na aba no. Man for mu Gyimie ne mo ashawo na se for jantrafo. Anko tena adwuma mu a. Mo ba hu ashawo tutufo. Mo Gyimie nkwa adwuma. Mo strike wo de. Nya mo na mo se ma je ala 1 month. Man for mu janta mo nurse fue 80% ashawo na mo to wo. Fa Gyimie Nkor adwuma wase aban amopa aba mo fa mo Gyimie Nkor ya adwuma de NDC betimi aya na omaye no fa mo kwase Nkor ya adwuma mo Gyimie no ya ji ala wa ya ji ala mo fa ma shawo Nkor adwuma mo ba shawo na mo ya TikTok adwuma mo to wa mo ya fa ko mo Nkor tena adwuma mo Nkor ya TikTok dia na mo ye dia mo ni wansa mbakwa mo atade esia na mo dey so ke kwoti e wo fa mo Gyimie Nkor adwuma mo kwase ani mo Gyimie a mo dey ko strike a mo kwase bi TikTok ne
abusia ma me fa wo enkopie mu e wo Ghana ye Parliament House na then na ekoso ho then so na SC eye finance minister ato forcing ono so the insembi e dey ba beto a o kiremu a Ghana Dumsor ekunye Dumsor eseye niema enti se de be ya betumi asolve eye Dumsor ewo Ghana ewo say ye de baby eba ya fe no say energy sector amendment bill what ya say entizesi ano say okoto fuel ewo Ghana ye de 1 cedi e de atoso oto 1 liter bia 1 cedi eda so na eno eba ye no eye minority leader Afia MOCKS ono so ababedi nkomo ewo ho san so na eye Afia Schwar ono de bibia ni obekasa wo ho ono so obabe fire eye Dondom Mahama woni finance minister na abusia mensa wo bre no yentie abra eye finance minister ato forcing ekopie mu ewo parliament abra omoko pass da fuel amendment bill no yes yenkotie abra okopie mu de ekoso ho ankasa embra.
Speaker, Ghana's electricity sector has experienced a significant shift over the years, with the country now heavily reliant on thermal power generation to supplement the hydroelectronic sources. The cost of liquid fuel to power the thermal power plant is not included in the current electricity tariff build-up, resulting in a significant revenue shortfall for the procurement of liquid fuels. According to the PURC, an inclusion of the cost of liquid fuel in the price build-up will lead to an increase in electricity tariffs by at least 50%. Government considers that this would have a significant negative impact on firms and households, and so this cannot be an option. Mr. Speaker, in the year 2025, the government will require an additional $1.2 billion to procure essential fuels for thermal power generations alone. Mr. Speaker, the power sector risks imminent collapse if these unsustainable debts are not resolved, particularly given that the fiscal cannot accommodate the financial needs of the sector. Right Honorable Speaker, to help raise additional revenue to fund the needs in the power sector, government is proposing an increase in export price of petrol, diesel, and related products. The impact will be absorbed by the gains made from the strong performance of the Ghana cedis. The Speaker, I repeat, the impact will be absorbed by the gains made from the strong performance of the Ghana cedis. And this will mean that consumers will not have to pay extra for the price of petrol and diesel.
Enti abusuya wotie de eye finance minister or kana abra okopie mu e Parliament House na omokwaje eye Dumsor Levy atumu no yes ena na etwa gu no enti wo hwe skin so a uto 1 liter bia obetua 1 cedis enti se uto 2 liters a obetua sen 2 cedis what is santi se uto 1000 liters kula ene obetua 1000 Ghana cedis abusuya enti case ni ba ye no eye Afia MOCKS the leader of eye minority side no ono so the same bi etodwa o kiremu a enye sa na mo ne Ghana for e kan aye kura because mo say eni eto bi e da Ghana ni bia so no we be yefro na adenti na ho san so de sa eye D levy a eye Dumsor Levy e dia bai abusia Afia MOCKS e kan sem bi yentie de o kan ho.
What we are seeing today is that after repealing e-levy, the government is introducing another e-levy. Mr. Speaker, this government is imposing 4 cedi 50 pesos e-levy on a gallon of petrol that we buy.
Mr. Speaker, my nephews do watch parliamentary proceedings. They know what e-levy was, which was repealed. When the minority leader keeps talking about e-levy and they are watching, they may get confused. To save my nephews, let the minority leader just know that there's no semblance of e-levy in this house today. Actually, I want to suggest that perhaps he's been given the wrong bill, because there's no e-levy in this house. Energy sector levies is not e-levy. How can you say it is e-levy?
Kwame, we are all Saturday bonds, but yours is just too much. Mr. Speaker, when the Akufo-Addo government introduced the electronic transactions levy, you never referred to it as electronic transactions levy. Was there anything like e-levy in the law? Was the law setting e-levy? You see, you are now crying.
It said the Afia MOCKS na okan ensem no. Owie ye na your former vice president Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia. Ono so ensem bi etudwa o kire mu a said the NDC for atwa Ghana for ntone de abusua. Omo twantro bebre.
NDC for omo twantro bebre. Every day obie hu ntro a omo twa. Enra na jo sembo nyina mo omo di Dumsor Levy aba. Dumsor Levy. So first no mo say e-levy na ye di aba. Omo be yi e-levy no omo be yi. Ene omo di Dumsor Levy aba. It is 8 times the e-levy. Omo ansusu anye o. And then uto 1 liter of petrol 1 cedi na ubetua. Uto 1,000 cedis of petrol ubetua 83 cedis. 83 cedis as tax. E-levy no usende obi 1,000 momo ubetua 10 cedis. Omo and then ubetua 4,000 ubetua 83 cedis for fuel. We nimunyina more beba. By the time you be do 2028 no Ghana nyina be hu se omutwa ntro bebre mimi gidi se omubeka nkire se yensamba biom embafa aban no ensi
na Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia ono so ensam na ono so odi tudwa a efa Dumsor Levy a omodi abayes ono so ekire na adwene wo ho na Ghana fo ni bi so akasa obianso ekire na adwene enam so ema energy minister, former energy minister ono so ensem bi etodwa e wo parliament.
They were here celebrating abolition of taxes. They were celebrating abolition of taxes. But I'm sorry to say that all the taxes they abolished, put together, did not bring us 5 billion Ghana cedis. Put together, did not bring us 5 billion Ghana cedis. This government is seeking to raise 5.7 billion Ghana cedis from the increase in the levies for petroleum products. Mr. Speaker, I said in this house during the debate on the budget that this government, in abolishing the taxes, was giving you something in your hand with the left hand, and they were going to take it back from your hand with their right hand. And not only take it from your hand, but take what was in your pocket in addition. And this is exactly what they are doing with the petroleum taxes that they are increasing.
After say we na course wa parliament house o monte o mo ho ase obi ekire na adwe no yes say ye ba efie nso a Afia Schwar nigga ono so abesane bi e de agu John Dramani Mahama one Atoforcing finance minister so abusua me say won afi we won hi yentie de Afia Schwar nigga ono so the okay
let's hear the another petrol so 10% because to 1 liter beer what's the Ewo Yesu di ba. Ba umi na go botiasi o. Ba umi na go botiasi o. Ba umi na metiasi o. Ba umi na me akai. Ye pe be ma yes ya to force. Yes, be ma yes ya boade. Maso Brian derebele. Enti nyumi na me baba mo yo. Eyesu. Matso Mukala TV. Na mo dia ko black and white. E do da do mo. Ya ji allowance so yan so about no more strike. Monfa mo kwasi am ko aduwa mo behu. Ya ji allowance no so yan to. Ya ji allowance no so yan to. Mate se so omu de omu Gyimie Nkor strike. Se Monfa mo Gyimie ansa ko aduma. Monfa mo kwasi ansa. Mo Gyimie. Ya ji allowance yan to. Allowance de yan to. Allowance mo Gyimie no. Gyimie no so my dan cross strike na mo kona. Mo cross strike no. Aban mo pe na aba no. Monfa mo Gyimie ne mo ashawo na asefo jantrafo. Ankotena bi mamu a. Mo ba wo ashawo tutufo. Mo ba mo Gyimie Nkor aduma. Mo strike wo de. Nya mo na mo se ma jara 1 month. Monfa mo janta mo na asefo 80% ashawo na mo to wo bo. Fa mo Gyimie Nkor aduma. Mo strike de kwasi aban a mo pe aba mo nya aduma mo fa mo Gyimie Nkor ya aduma de NDC betimi aya na o ma ye no fa mo kwasi Nkor ya aduma mo ka se be ka bia ma mo Gyimie no ya ji ala wa ye nte ya ji ala mo fa ma shawo Nkor aduma na na se mo ba shawo na mo ya TikTok aduma mo to wa mo ya ha fa Mon continue du moment mon croyant TikTok. Dia na moye. Dia. Dia mu wansa ba kwa mata dia sia. Na mu dia so ke kwoti e wo. Fa mo Gyimie Nkor aduma. Amaya mo pe na aba no obi e ni wa wo ba be ka bia mamo. Mo kwasie ni mu. Mo Gyimie am de ko strike a mo kwasie bi. TikTok nurses. Mo fa mo kwasie Nkor aduma mo no obi an ka bi mamo. Afia Schwar Ghana for so bullets na into Usurome and to say me man on farming go shop non go ta de ma me non farming go chile because Usurome na some de mo to won Usurome am de mo he de because a friend D Levy Dumsor Levy D Levy and I know I am for the NDC man Eyesu Uyabizu so as a general 4 years the best no that say I'm about Timothy I'm about cutting my heads Eyesu or the D Levy or the Afia oh my fucking God. Hey, many are too fucking mad. And I made me cool off because to me. And Tina say news now distorted. And Tina can run. Deal even your my heart to Nana come train and come at you can for yata what I say. Story you know. Na komo try say wo mu Gyimie no ka no forata na de ho be ba na o ma che no na ka by this time ki a chicken no forata na kro ni mo ye no mu di Levy na be shemu tru mu ni mo hu na ka no forata semme kame anoma kame ade baby me ango honey me say me wa no aka en kame anoma and come here day. So when you be a financial publicity stunt, and I want him said John a book container so they be an statement here back 2.6 days. 2.6 days. Not just say can you for your time? Can you for your time? To can I man not just say I was a book container o movie on with the plan na se John Abu container aye nanim tro kan aside before nkruma no ko kan kwase asem na Nicodemously
ejumapa gunimde
Babu ba umi anya ankopo onyanti amuka o dia 5 months penny o I was saying my mom can say I got 2 years 7 months. I got 3 years 7 months. We should all understand. Say I got 3 years 7 months. 5 months a penny. Allah na wodi Dr. Mahmoud ba umi echina. Ama me kondo se me kwa fere na me no. Allahu Akbar. You've not seen anything yet. Ezu, uyamizu. I go to school for no. Can you cry na munya bi na mu? Almost there. On bet you first year for the school fees. The other so can you cry bi ni ho? And one day me sure sika mo sabe I'm just saying.
And now busia eha and amedemu eba be see eha AGH Kwabi Media so message say ni dem over so now subscribe to your channel no share ama afofran so enya bi atie kete wose enye dodo no nwura makra bye bye.